Good day guys, Bing here. Today let's model this one. Okay, so first, so this apparently pattern-based family, but first we need to figure out which pattern we're going to use. So let me just do a screenshot maybe here. Okay, so yeah, it's sorry, it's a bit too small. Maybe so basically that's one, right? That's one. That's another one. So one here, one here. So what we're going to do is we need to find a pattern looks like this. So basically one something like this. Oops. Like this. Okay. So let's go. So new pattern-based family. So let's use this one. So okay, so select this grid, tile pattern grids, and then let's try to find one. Okay. I think we can use this one. So you can see one. So one here, one here, one here, and maybe this one as well. So it's one. So let's try this one. So okay, let me think. So I'm not quite sure. I did this like a few days ago. It works, but I can't remember which pattern I use. But let's try. So what I'll just quickly check. I'll just quickly check see whether this one works or not. Okay, so I'll just place one point. Use draw on face. So place onto the midpoint and create a reference line, and then I'll just place something in the middle and try to place this one. Okay, so I'll just place draw something in the middle and draw use draw on world plan and place onto this point. So I'll just draw maybe just use model line and draw a circle. Okay, so that's it. So now I want to create wrong one. Create a conceptual mass and just draw something very simple. Okay, so maybe one line, another one, trim, and maybe just fillet arc. Doesn't work. So set. So I think did I just set world plan onto reference level 1? Set onto level 1. Oh, it doesn't work. Interesting. That's fine. I'll do it again. Reference line on world plan. Yeah, one. Maybe I shouldn't trim it. So leave them open. Oh, it doesn't work. Oh, this is. So this is on level 1. This is on level 1, and if yeah. So set world plan onto level 1. Yeah, so it works. So the reason first is because previously I probably it's on model, so you can't use fillet arc on reference line if you choose model line. And also you need to set world plan. So make sure your current world plan is on this the same as those two. Okay, so must be the same, and then you can use fillet arc. Okay, so now let's create a surface. So this I'm going to use this one. Okay, so maybe use divided surface, and then and use which one should I use? Let's try fixed distance, and I'll just type 500 for both direction. So yeah, so make them, and then I'll change this one to this one. Okay, and then I'll load this one into here, and then change this one to family 2. Okay, I think, yeah, this will work, because see, the same. So imagine that's a circle. So yeah, okay. So now let's continue create it. Okay, so let's delete this circle model line, and I'll keep this one because we're going to and also if you look at this one, so this family need to be adjustable. So that point, imagine that point will be this one, and then we need to create a point onto this one, and then use a work plan that parallel to this vertical work plan. So I'll just let's do it. So from this point I want to let me think. So because this point, it rotates this direction, but we don't want it. We want this to rotate this one. So we need to place a point on this one. So let's tab and place it on the point. So now we select this one, go up, and also to make it easy, clearer. So I'm just going to show the work plan of this point. So now you can see these are the work plan of this point. So we want this point to rotate this way, but this, once again, this one rotate this way. So for example, I show you. So you can see rotate in the horizontal plane. So that's not what we want. So Control Z, and we just need to place another point on this work plan. Okay, so point and set work plan onto this and place it on here. So okay, so if I drag this point away and also show the work plan, and now if I change this one, so you can see this rotated in this direction. So 45, see, 45 and negative 45, go, oops, oh, you can't you can't see, but 0, but it works. Okay, so you can see, go the other way. Okay, all good. So then I'll just leave it here because it's easier. So if we have all these points separated, so but eventually we will place them. So it's change the offset back to 0, so it will go all back to this point. But for now, we are going to place something onto this. Okay, so onto this point. So this it's a very simple circle. So I'll just place another point, draw on work plan, set work plan onto the horizontal work plan of this point, place this point, place onto this point. So this point will be the center of the circle. So, and then once again, I'll just show the work plan, so it's easier for you to see all these work plans. And then we draw a circle, draw on work plan, set work plan, and place onto this reference plan. Okay, so this one. So pick and place a circle. Okay, so now and create a radius. Hang on, let me change the scale. So yeah, and then let's just create a radius parameter. So I'll just call it R, and type is okay. And then for this one offset, so I'll just use this R, so it will start from this point. So as you can see here, so yeah, roughly start from that point. So I think, and then we can create a surface. Okay, so yeah, that's it. Yeah, I don't think it's necessary to create a thickness. So if you want to, of course you can. So you can just drag it and then just add some thickness to it. So but for this exercise, I'll just leave it. I just make it a face instead of a solid. Okay, so now let's test. So if I try the, oh sorry, forgot to add the angular parameter. So here, so I'll just add, I'll call it A, and instance, and OK, and OK. So go to family types. So let's try 30 degree. Oh, 30 degree. Yeah, negative 30. Oh, good. Back to 0. And OK, I think this is it. And also for this one, so if you can see there's some structure behind, we can also build into this pattern-based family. So very simple, just draw a place a point, use draw on face, and then just reference circle, draw on world plane, set world plane, and place one. So you can, if you want to, you can add a parameter for this radius of this structure as well. But I'll just make it yeah, something like this. Not sure. maybe small, maybe smaller. Okay. So now then I'll just copy CC and pick the point, pick new host. Okay, so now we select the profile and also this path, and we can create a sweep. Okay, so I'll just drag this to here, drag this to here, and then that, and then we need to place this back to 0. Okay, and this one back to oh, hang on, why this one is 0? This one shouldn't be 0. Let me just Control Z. I want to double check. So this one should be offset from here, and this one offset from here. I want yeah. So maybe I did it wrong, but yeah, that's fine. I'll just move this back to here. So should be okay. Should be okay. And then that's overlapping point, but yeah, H, and pick the other one, type 0. You go back to this point, should be okay. Or yeah. So let's test again. 30 degree. Yeah, all work. If you want to, you can maybe we should move this away a little bit. Control Z. This one is offset this one. So yeah, H. And oh, HR, sorry. So this one, maybe this one should go up a little bit. So let's just move this up. Okay, so roughly go up, and H, and then this one go back to 0. So at least it's not touching the structure, and then leave some space. And if you want to add some, like those little fixing thing, you can. But for now, I'll just finish this one. I think it's finished. So now let's load this into here, overwrite. Okay, so nice. And then you can, because we have a parameter. Oh, hang on, the structure is not correct, so maybe we need to extend it. Yeah, extend this to here. So let's just go back, and I think we just need to double the size. Okay, how can we do it? Hang on. Maybe we don't need to. If we have this one, so instead of go this, maybe we can add it here. So yeah, I think this can work as well. So so basically we just need to have a point here, go here. Oh, looks like we need a reporting parameter. Because we need to get this the size of the grid. Sorry, let me think again. Okay, so that's fine. There's a lot of different ways to do it, but I'm going to just use a reporting parameter. So I'll measure the point 2 and 3, and then use a half, and then offset a point from here. So let's do this. So I'll place a point here and select that point and drag this way. So this will be a offset. So let's just create a parameter, call it offset, and it needs to be instance parameter. And then we need to set work plane first and do a dimension di and dimension 0.2 and 3. So this will be a reporting parameter. Okay, and then we just need to equal this one, equal the offset to reporting divided by 2, apply. So now we have this point, and then we can connect point these 2 points and create a reference line. So we can place, just do the same. So place a point, use draw on face, and a circle, draw on work plane, and oops, sorry, wrong one. Circle, draw on work plane, pick this work plane and draw a circle, or make it reference line. Okay, so and then apply that R to it. Sorry, the other one, which we didn't we didn't create parameter for it. So just change this one back to now and type in 35. Okay, so CC and place back onto the reference line, and then select create and select the point, drag this, or you can also type in a number 1. So now we have to load this back. This should fit. Yeah. So I think this is it. So now you can looks like the size is too big. Yeah, we didn't. Maybe we can also calculate the grid. So for example, control the radius by this reporting parameter by the grid size, or because currently we don't have, so we can just simply edit type and then type in a number. So and then that's it. Okay, so hang on, let me just it's very close to that size, so maybe, so currently it's 500. Yeah, so we use 500, so maybe we change it to 490, so there will be a little gap between them. Yeah, and this is it. So, and also the angular parameter, so each one there's because they are all instance parameter, so you can change the angle for each one. So I think we will do this using Dynamo, and we will try this one tomorrow. Okay, so, and this is it for today. If you have any questions, please let me know. I'll see you tomorrow. Thank you. Bye.